Okay, September RM, the CD come in. Well, it's a single from Dolly. Disc is not that bad. It's got a couple of the nicks in the top, but it should play fine. Not played it yet. The back. Pretty cool. Full size CD case. That's a single piece train. Now, if you collect Dolly, she doesn't have very many single CDs that I found. Most of them are hits, greatest hits or hits, stuff like that. But if you find singles from Dolly, let me know. I don't know, I quite enjoy collecting singles now, for some reason or not. I don't know why. I just like having them. Pretty simple inside. eBay, this single is selling for around 40 bucks. You might find it a little bit cheaper if you find a person that's willing to let it go for cheaper, maybe 30 bucks. Not much cheaper than that. It's almost $40 CD, which I paid for it after shipping. I include the shipping in the final cost, just to let you know. I think on average it's about maybe a $30 CD, but then with another $10 on shipping sometimes $5, $10, could be more. Depends on the seller or what they have. But there's 4, 5, 6 songs on this. Peace Trains, where I saw the video and found this online and got it. 40 bucks, pretty up there for a single. Sometimes they go more even. And there's one other single I'm trying to get, and if you know any other singles that she has, let me know. And if you know what language Dolly is, let me know below, because I don't know what language she speaks besides English. I'm pretty sure she has a second language. Everybody does, but I don't know what it is. I tried looking it up once before, I could not find anything. All I heard her speak is ever English. So I don't know. Maybe she's Italian or maybe she's African, I don't know. Because this is an African song. So, Peace Train, but could be with the language she is, but I'm not too sure. No, she's not black, she's white, but it could be African, it could be white, I don't know. If you know what language she is, let me know. Other than that, it's a pretty good single. Hard to find as well, because they're pretty expensive, 30 bucks and up. Find it locally, you might find it a little bit cheaper if you have a pretty good CD shop. Around here, there's only one CD shop, and that's on the weekends at the flea market. It's really hard to get to on the weekends, so I don't really like going there on the weekend, because the bus to get down there is pretty crappy. Takes a long time. Yeah, I'm doing it right. So, thanks for watching. Dolly Parton Peace Train, single CD.